This is the MEEDEN desktop easel. It's quite nice. It's made out of a nice solid piece of wood. It's not a veneer. It's got brass fittings, as you can see here. It's also got a couple of little legs that pop out and hold your piece of paper in place. We'll put that back for the moment, close that up. We'll have a look underneath. And you can see we've got a nice little folding leg system here, and you've got little ratchets so you can actually pop them in place. We'll put it back, give you an idea. And this is a side view of the mechanism that holds it in place. You can see there's 5 different adjustments in here. I'll go back to here. You'll notice there's a hole. Well, that hole holds these little dowels, and there's 2 different length dowels in there, so we'll take one out. I'll take the longer one, I think. One goes on this side and the other one goes on the other side. So that gives you again another angle that you can actually work on. So that's rather nice. Now I'm going to fold out the little ledge, as you can see here, and you can rest your art paper against it. I've only got a bit of A4 at the moment, and you just simply pull these little clips out and you can just simply hold it in place so you can work on it, and the paper will be held in place and not move, which is nice and handy for doing artwork. On the bottom, as you can see, everything lays out nicely. You've got 4 little rubberized feet. They're held in place with screws. Overall, it's a very nice feel about it. It's well finished, and I think it'd be great for a bit of artwork.